Hi, I'm Yona, and this is my sister Marcy, and we chose DC International because of the amazing itinerary, and it was just jam-packed with all kinds of wonderful things. And one of my favorite parts of it was to visit in people's homes, have the opportunity to experience a little bit of Moroccan hospitality, and meet some of the people, the family of the people who were our guides and our leaders. And it was really lovely. The food was amazing. We cooked, we learned to cook, we saw what went into it, we bought food, and so forth. You want to add to that?
Yes, we had a demonstration of cooking, and then afterwards we were able to go out and buy the same spices because the woman who cooked for us took us on a shopping trip first to show us what she purchased, and then demonstrated how it was cooked, and then we sat and enjoyed it. That was a wonderful experience. And for me also, the experience of riding the camel through the desert at sundown, I didn't think I was going to be brave enough to do it, but we had so much support that everyone was able to do it. And as we were going through the desert, it was clearly in the middle of nowhere, and until we came upon the tents where we were going to be sleeping. But the tents had their own bathrooms, so it was not as roughing it as it appeared to be, and just a gem of an experience.